Health Authority reported one-day case numbers above 1,000. 20 people reported dead now, including a 27-year-old man from Lincoln County. Fox 12's Sarah Hurwitz has more on that urgent message now from frontline workers.
Yeah, she learned that they're tired and really need everyone to do their part to keep the community healthy.
Well, frontline workers are exhausted, from nurses and emergency department staff to caregivers at retirement communities. They are tired, but they realize how important their jobs are right now. I did speak with a caregiver at Summerfield Estates retirement community here, as she has an important message to other caregivers during the holiday season. For Bonnie Scholson, a caregiver for dozens of residents at Summerfield Estates retirement community, she's relied on heavily.
Many of them don't have anybody, so I'm their contact. Everything that they need to have done, I do. I'm their hands, I'm their feet, their mouth, their ears. I make doctor's appointments, all kinds of things, and try to bring some humor to them every day.
And during the pandemic, she knows how crucial her job is for the people she takes care of regularly.
I take all the measures that I can do and still stay safe and not bring things in here.
But it's hard on her too.
I can't see my sisters, and my brother's gone, but I can't see my sisters and can't see my cousins and my nieces and nephews, and even my daughter I don't see very often.
Her message to other caregivers: don't give in to the fatigue and do things that could be risky to your health and the ones you're caring for.
You can't do that. You just can't. You can't afford it for your clients. You can't afford it for yourself.
What now has happened is that it is overrunning our emergency departments and our hospitals, because a COVID patient often has a longer length of stay than regular medical patients.
And for hospital staff, they're worn out too. Vicki Sands, an ER doctor for Providence, has this message to the community.
The public can take care of us by protecting themselves and protecting their loved ones. It's so heartbreaking because we're having to separate people from their families. If you come in and you are a COVID patient, you can't have visitors. It's just not allowed, and it is heartbreaking. We're having to have conversations with families, telling them what's happening. They're not allowed to say goodbye. It's very, very difficult for family, for patients, and for the staff.
Well, that caregiver that you heard from there says that her Thanksgiving will be very small, with a few number of family members. They will be all wearing face masks, and she says there will be stringent sanitation. In Portland, Sarah Hurwitz, Fox 12 Oregon.